Hi sir, Namaste. My name is Gadalingappa. My seminar on hot strip mills by the under the guidance of the Professor Hafiz Gayasuddin. So my topic is the hot strip mills. So the content of the overview content is and the overview of the HSM's ruling definitions and the types of ruling process and advantages and disadvantages. These are the contents that we are discussed in this topic. This is the overview of the HSM. The capacity of the HSM will be the 2.5 million ton per annum. The ruling can be 1.6 6 mm to the 12 mm thickness, and as per the up to the width of the 1290 mm. The rolling wheels would be welded tubes, galvanizing, cold rolling, cold rolling, micro alloys, LPG, line pipes, etc. And the automatic gauge controlling, coil box. These are the equipments we are using in the hot rolling. This is the HSM, the flow sheet. The complete process will be take place here only. The complete process. This is the material flow sheet. The when the graphically represented by here only the slabs CCP coil. This is the hot box means it is the stored by the electrical grids. A reading furnace, primary descalings, and the charging card slabs. These are the further process take place when the run back and kickback will they take place. After the plates with the dispatched extract by the cobbles, coil box, crop shape, and pinch roll, finishing mill, runout tables, and the inspected area. After the completion of the coil will be inspected by the inspector, quality inspector, and sent to the CTL cut to length. CTL means cut to length. If the coil is okay, it's sent to the coil box at the dispatch. After the any defects, tail chew and the gauge control lamination, that basic salvaging take place here. Rolling and the rolling types. There are the what is the rolling? Rolling is the process of the physical deformations of the metal by the passing in between the rolls. Here the is a top roll, it is the bottom roll, it is the strip. In between the rolls, it is the strip. It is the this deformations and the length of the deformation takes place here. When the two roll opposite the force will be acting place, so deformations will be the take place. The physical that's why it's called as the rolling. The process of the physical deformations of the metal, deforming the metal by the passing in between the two rolls. The types of rolling, there will be two types of the rolling mills. One is the hot rolling and the cold rolling. Hot rolling is the the physical deformations of the metal above the recrystallization temperature is called as the hot strip mill, hot rolling. And the cold rolling, the plastic deformations of the metals the below the recrystallization temperature is the cold rolling. This is the hot rolling, this is the cold rolling. The rolling processes. These are the when the deformations and the in between the rolls. These are the forces acting in between the roll and the roll in between the rolls and the structures. It is the force, the tangential force, separating force, and the radial force acting in between the roll. This is the deformations takes place. The temperature of the profile and the hot rolling. Here the each unit there will be a certain temperature will be required for the rolling. The slab head the receive this CCP from the temperature will be the very low, so certain temperature will be there to 30 degrees Celsius. When the charging will take place inside the furnace, that is the 30 degree to 700 degrees Celsius. And the RHF, that is the temperature will be maintained by the 1250 degrees Celsius. The finish roughing mill, the 1180 degrees Celsius. The coil box is the 1050 to 1080 degrees Celsius. The FM entry is the 950 to 980. And the FM exit temperature, finishing mill temperature will be the 840 to 880 degrees Celsius. Coiling temperature will be the 550 to 680 degrees Celsius. These are the major units of the HSM art strip mills: the slab and walking beam, primary descaling system, roughing mill, high reversible roughing mill, primary coil box, crop shear, pinch rule, high reversible roughing mill, 4 high reversible roughing mill, and the runout table, down color, CTL 1, 2, 3, roll shaft, drive shaft. These are the major units, major equipments, and the units also. The slab at the receive the slabs for this, the functions of the slab at the slabs to be received by the CCP are arranging them according to the grade, width, and the thickness. The supply slabs by according to the pattern that the pattern they prepared by the PPD. PPC, this is the pattern will be made by the coffin pattern. Reheating furnace, this is the our structure of the furnace. Here these are the 8 zones will be there, and each one top and bottom will be distributed. There is the 4 zones. A furnace type will be the walking beam type furnace. The functions is the read the slab and to the rolling temperature. The fuel will be using the Quarex gas and the mixed gas. The fuel percentage will be the 1:1.6 percentage of the fuel will be the using. So the reheating furnace, there is furnace will have the 4 zones, recuperatory zones, and the preheating zones, in the heating zone and the soaking zone. Soaking zone. The descriptive of the furnace will be the length of the furnace will be 40 meters, and the length of the furnace will be the 40 meters, and the width of the furnace will be the 11 meters, and the slab thickness will be the 210 mm, and the 1050 width, and the 10,700 of the length. So the slab temperature will be the 30 degrees Celsius to 700 degrees Celsius, and discharging temperature will be the 250 degrees Celsius, and the discharging temperature will be the 1180 degrees Celsius. So the slab is the holding the heating temperature, heating time will be the 210 minutes or 230 minutes. Because of the we are gaining the mechanical properties, certain temperature will be reached by the above the recrystallization temperature will be required for rolling. The scale formation scale produced by the furnace will be the 1.65 percentage. The primary descaling system, the purpose of the primary descaling system to remove the scale which is formed due to the oxidations of the hot metal when it comes out from the furnace. The descaling is done by using the water jets of 180 bar degrees Celsius. 180 bars. This is the primary descaling. Roughing mill. The hot strip mill has a powerful high reversible roughing mill for the effective slab reductions with the facilitate the easier to the finishing mill or operations of the finishing mill to produce the good quality of the HRC. The rougher is provided with the quick work roll changing devices, effective width controlling, and quick change of the work roll, ensuring the extract controller and width controller strip producer. The rougher is equipped with the powerful hydraulic operating systems with the width controlling the vertical adjust the automatic width controller. The roughing mill diameter is the 953 to 1028 mm. Backup roll diameter is the 1230 to 1320 mm, and the vertical edger roll diameter is equal to 906 to 957 mm. This is the roughing mill. The vertical ledger, the hosting will be connected by here. The backup roll, and the work. These are the work roll and the backup roll. These are chokes. The screw down. Enter the say animations. Normal graph of roughing mill. Coil box. The coil box with a unique reversible process has been designed by the engineer. Why we are using the coil box means it will achieve the uniform temperature of the bar at the head end and tail end to effective isothermal rolling to effective controlling of the gauge. The purpose of the rotary craft shear is to be craft the front and tail end of the strip priority of the entering to the FM stand. The cut made by the flying shearing and capable to depending upon the transfer strip length and the thickness and temperature. The shearing is composed with the two horizontal drums in between the horizontal drums with the curved knife. Each drum, the opposite the position of the definitions with the 57.30 degrees as well as the bottom drum with the knife available. The accelerating angle will be the 147 degree. Pinch roll scale breaking in between the location between the rotary craft shear and the FM stand. The functions to remove the fine scale formations from the strip before entering to the finishing stand by using the high precious water spray on the top and bottom of the strip. The next entering to the finishing mill, the functions to ensure the good quality of strip and the good gauge controlling profile controlling surface of the surface free from the any possibility defects. The plant have the six stands and the 4 high finishing mills occupied with automatic gauge controlling, automatic bending, roll bending, quick controlling and roll chain device, low inertia hydraulic interstand loopers, descaling facilities. The finishing mill roll diameter is the 597 to 655 mm and the backup roll die is equal to 1295 to 1422 mm. The finishing mill. Runout table, this is the provided for the between the finishing stand 6 and the coiler strip coming out of the finishing stand. When the F6 stand strip will come out, the stand have the temperature of the 850 to 950 degrees Celsius of the 950 degrees Celsius is cooled by down to temperature of the 540 to 650 degrees Celsius. The series of water jets well spreading the uniform over of strip from the bottom and the laminar cooling headers are provided at the top. In order to get the better mechanical properties, to is necessary to leave the finer grain size. The grain elongated should not be allowed. The ROT table consisting of the 96 meter length and the 20 number of headers. This is the ROT. Down coiler, there are two hydraulic down coilers are supplied by the Denine United USA occupied, which is the outboard bearing supporting. Outboard, it is the bearing supporting to take care of the heavy coil winding. The hydraulically controlled wrapper rolls and with a jump controlling, ensuring the compact winding with the no damages of the strip surface. Hard rolling advantages: the stress will be lower, the force is smaller, the power equipment will be the less, and the no work hardening. There is no required to the hard work. The larger deformation possibility, the very fine structure will be possibility. The breakup of the cost, break up the cost structure in the informable form, and the closest porosity, and the only way to create the seat from the slab only. The disadvantages of hot rolling means the high frictions will takes place in between the rolls and coiling, and the roll needs to be cooled by using the high pressurized water, and the cooling will be the required for the continuous, and the material handling will be the difficulties when the damages will happen. The customer will be not satisfied to the quality, and the personal must be protection from the heat. The heat will be the more, and the surface quality will be the most of the very disadvantage, because some of the cases the handling or the some of ruling mark will be the comes, that is the surface quality will be the required, so that's why we can't maintain the too good of surface, and the close tolerance will be the required. Some of the gauge variations will be happening, so that's why in these cases. So thank you for we, revealing and the viewing of our videos. Thank you for sir.